Starbucks. Well, my kids are asking me for hot chocolate, and I really don't want to go to Starbucks to buy hot chocolate, especially when you spend it's like $1, $2 for a little cup of hot chocolate. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make it myself, Starbucks style hot chocolate. So stay tuned and make sure you get your pen and paper and write down all the stuff that you're going to need for this recipe. Once again, this is Eric with Eric C Productions. If you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like and comment, because that helps me out as well. So please, sit back and enjoy this video. Okay, this is what you're going to need for 4 servings, which is pretty much just 2 mugs really. You're going to need a half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of cocoa, or Hershey's cocoa, a dash of salt, 1/3 cup of hot water, 4 cups of milk. You only see 2 here, but I have another 2, and then 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And let's get this thing going. The first step is to mix the sugar, cocoa, and salt in the pot. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa, and a cup of sugar. Just mix all that together. Just mix it all there, get all that going. And then we're going to add in some water. So let's put this on the stove top. I'm going to add in the water. And then I'm going to mix this together. Turn on some extra light here. Is that better? Should get all the edges. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then after you get it to a boil, you let it go for another 2 minutes. Once you get this thing going. This is what I make for my kids. Before, you know, the carnation one, the hot chocolate is another way to do it. And then there's the other way, the Mexican style, where they have the block of chocolate. You just kind of like melt it in the pot with the milk. But try this recipe out, and actually this one turns out to be really good. And it tastes a lot like Starbucks. And for a fraction of the cost, and plus I don't have to sit there and wait in line at the drive-thru or have to worry about you know, going in and waiting in line for all this. But yes, I know it's the ambiance, as you call it, but hey, I'm gonna skip the ambiance and save some money. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I got it all mixed together, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it boil. And then once I get it boiling, once I bring it to a boil, 2 minutes. Okay, I see that it's boiling now, so I'm going to stir for about 2 minutes. Stir this up. Whoa, fogging up the lens here. So I'm going to have to stir for 2 minutes. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me do it for 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do is, after 2 minutes is up, 2 minutes are up. I'm going to pour 4 cups of milk into this. Now it's starting to look like hot chocolate. And then I'm going to mix it together, get it all nice and mixed. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to bring it to a boil. You don't want it to bring this to a boil, the milk. So what you're going to do is bring it to almost to a boil. So it's you start seeing the bubbles on the edges, that's usually it's telling you it's getting ready to boil. So that's when you turn it off, and then add a little, the 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then just serve it to your kids or for yourself, and get some cookies or whatever, and sit there and watch TV, or in my case, sit there and watch YouTube. So once again, I'll show you the finished product once it's done, but that is how you pretty much make Starbucks style. Okay, the hot chocolate is done, so I'm gonna go ahead, oh, sorry about that. Gonna pour this. So in a sense, 4 cups of milk will actually fill up both these mugs. Check out my Disney mugs. There you go. Awesome. So that's it. That is Starbucks style hot chocolate in a nutshell. Make sure you add that vanilla extract to go with it. And once again, thank you for watching. And if you like these videos and want to continue seeing more of these kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like, and make a comment. Thank you for watching. This is Eric with Eric C. Productions.